Attractive home in sought-after Graystone North community. Charming ranch well positioned on peaceful lot offering amazing large deck. Move-in ready updates are sure to please with fresh interior and exterior paint, carpet, low maintenance siding, beautiful wood cabinets, hardwoods, and so much more. Easy living in this desired award-winning school district located just minutes to shopping, dining, and access to major roadways. Just minutes from shopping, dining and much more. Don't miss the opportunity to purchase this home as it is sure to sell fast at this price. No seller's property disclosure statement showing start Wednesday DEC 2 ST 2020.